Zoe and I'm back with another video. Today is my super exciting fall room tour. Yeah, so today I'm giving you guys a tour of my room. I have not done this, I think, for about a year, maybe more. Yeah, I have a lot of new exciting updates on my room decor, and this is my fall room tour. I intend to do one of these. I mean, I haven't done the fall room tour for a year, like, obviously. But I don't know what time last year I filmed it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a room tour every season, or if I completely rearrange my room in the middle of the season, I will inform you guys. Just a second. Okay, I'm good. I will inform you guys on that. Yeah, you should have already seen my Bath & Body Works haul, the Fall Bath & Body Works collection, which I do every season as well. You should also have seen the fall haul. After this, I'll have my desk tour, an Organize With Me, and a stationery collection. If those go through, definitely a desk tour and probably a stationery collection. I don't know about the Organize With Me. We can do how I do my nails, because they're kind of pretty right now, but you know, I did them last week, so the nail polish is coming off because I didn't put a top coat on because I was way too impatient to wait for that to dry. Anyways, we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, one more small disclaimer is that my room is not perfect, nobody's is, and I'm not going to like make it all prissy and perfect just because that's how YouTube wants people to see it, like the creator community. Anyways, this is my room. I keep it relatively clean. I don't usually make my bed, but I'm not going to subject you guys to a room tour with an unmade bed. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So we basically walk into this. This is my door, just a door, you know, nothing fancy. We turn to the left. I have my hamper. I have a skirt I have to return. That's my like old stuffed animals I get from random people. This is my little cat house. They love it. I actually built this shelf as just a hobby because, you know, I like building stuff. And they love going under here. That's a pillow I need to wash. Yeah, here we have my printer. It's the Canon Pixma TS3120. Then I have my pipettes and a random cat thing. My books. I have World War II that I'm going to read soon. My fan. This is the Honeywell fan. Whoa. Honeywell fan. It was $15, and you can literally feel the fan on low from like 50 feet away. Yeah, here I just have some like umbrellas and stuff like that. I also have, let's see, a bunch of Ulta fragrance testers in here. So, yeah, that is cat number 2. That's Derby. Say hi, Derby. Say hi. Yeah. Anyways, so that's the overview there, and then I have Derby's favorite little cat bed. Isn't that right? Yeah. So then you turn to this side. I just have, you know, a mirror on my door, like towel hanging stuff. This is my messy art area and shoes. So I have all my bracelet making stuff down there, random stuff in there, paints, purses, masks, shoes, cake decorating supplies. I am a cake decorator. I have just my hang up stuff. The super fluffy jacket was like super nice. I have kids paints up here and my pastel paints, and I have my sewing cloth. Up there I have art supplies. Those are decoration pictures for summer. Sandals. This is Christmas stuff. And these are anything with heels, bigger than like normal stuff. Then yeah, on my counter I just have, this is a candle making jar, so have to melt that. Candy. This is from when I was little. It's a little music thing. Perler beads. My little box. Warby. Sorry. Disturbs. Okay, and then up here, I have my makeup bags in there. Sewing stuff, puzzles, packaging bags, decorations up in that Easter basket. And this in here I have my soap making supplies, and then I have like this little kit and this thing that my cat, or my brother's cat, Derby, broke it. Anyways, we go over here, and yeah, I have my little art wall. So basically I have Look what he did. He knocked over the catnip. Okay, so I have my, the key for my bike lock. I have a lip gloss recipe. I have warning, overly affectionate cat, even though my cat, Rolls, is not very affectionate, but you know, it's fine. Here's a print I made of Derby. This was, you basically take cork like this and you carve it out and you print it with the roller ink. Anyway, it's super cool. And then I drew this of myself. So yeah, that's actually a portrait from a picture I took. And then here I just have backpacks. This one says Jesus is my rock. I have like a little leather one, and then my actual backpack. Up here is my mess area. Yeah, I have my Legos from when I was a kid, all of them, hair stuff. This I molded out of clay, and it's like a little bobblehead. I have some phone cases and our mask, ink stamps, and bath bombs. Down here I have a crap ton of stuff. This is my decorations I still have to put away, and that is all my cookbooks and other books. Anyway, that is the cat, as you probably can tell. So next we have my Bath & Body Works stuff, which you've already seen for my last video. So you guys should know what's here. I'll just do a quick sweep of it. I forgot to guys tell you what's down here. I just have my summer raspberry candle from IKEA, super good. Some sunglasses, my vanilla melts, and my melter. And then in here, yeah, I have everything. I have makeup, candles, some little sprays, more makeup. This is all my Bath & Body Works that's not out, except for the stuff up there. So I have way too much. Yeah, this shelf is like 2 feet wide and like 2 feet long. Or no, 1.5 feet by each. Yeah, it's 1.5 feet by each. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff up there and up there. Yeah, anyways, kind of ashamed of that. Anyways, but you know, here is my little everyday makeup. It has my stuff for my acne. I will share an acne update soon. Yeah, my crap ton of lip balms, some piping tips that I just forgot to put away. My grooming thing, my EOS sprays, facial shave things for, you know, makeup application. Because I did that because one of the YouTubers I watched said that it makes your makeup application going really smoothly. I haven't used them yet because honestly I don't really care. Yeah, my powder foundations, tools. Okay, so if you like the Arizona green tea, get the flavor shots. Best thing ever. It's like $2 and it's super good and it gives you 34 servings, or 32. So, and then I have this little jar I made out of, oh, there's some bobby pins in there. And the clay, I have my pop socket I need to put on. Yep, I have my Calypso lemonade. I have my name sign, as you can see, it's really pretty outside. Yeah, so then I have my computer. Over here I have stuff. So I have my basket with my gum because I didn't know what to use this for. So this is extra polar ice and extra spearmint. And then I have just my mirror, which actually needs to go down here. Then I have my nail polishes, which I'm going to be redoing my nails. I'm going to be doing the glitter on the middle and pinky fingers again. But then I'm going to do a burgundy, and this is the top coat. This is the book I've been reading. It is like way too easy. I can literally read adult books, and I'm only 14. I mean like adult level. Not content, but a level. This is The Beyonders, A World Without Heroes by Brandon Mull, book 1. Yeah, here's my drawers. That's concealer, highlight, bronzer, just a second, blush, and that on the bottom is eyeliners and mascaras. Here's my stationery cart. As you can see, the labels, we have pens and pencils, math supplies, hole punches, highlighters, Sharpies, notebooks, scissors, staplers, sticky notes, note cards, clips, and calculators, dry wipe, erase supplies, and other supplies. There is my giant bucket of nail polish, probably like 75 in there, not including those ones. Here is my new desk, you guys. My dad and I actually built this desk. This is a desktop from Menards. They're like $12 and they're really nice. It literally like matches my floor almost, as you can see. Yeah, we built the sides here. We actually burned the wood with a blowtorch, which is super fun. Blowtorching is amazing. It's awesome. And yeah, so I have my little chair here, which there's a blanket over it, because one of the kitties likes to climb it. So yeah. Life with cats. My geography and advanced spelling book. woohoo, my candle over here. My wall decor, I just have a light. This is like a baby ring light, literally, like, as you can see, it is very bright, and you can see the shadow right there. Anyways, and then I have, these are the paintings I made. This is a Vincent van Gogh artist. Whoa. This is my rendition of the Vincent van Gogh. I was just doing a quick painting. I could have done it better if I was doing watercolors. And then here is it's just dawn and dusk, and there's a quote by J.R.R. Tolkien. And then I made this little board right here. Has cute little papers on it, my notes, my school schedule, my headphones, like pom-pom stuff, stapler, all kinds of stuff, candle, awesome candle. And then we go up, Christmas lights, which I have all year, yay! Anyways, this is my little dry erase calendar for September 2020. As you can see, my filming schedule. Anyways, oh, I have a funny meme, guys, I found it. Not found it, I mean, in my mind, I made it up. So the meme is, when my shift just ended, but I have to help a customer anyway, purposely spreads corona to them. I feel like that'd be like a TikTok meme. Anyways, here, oh, I forgot something. Over here, I have my organization for school. It's just this rack bin with my notebooks and stuff in it, so that's really nice. My wallflower plug down there with black cherry willow. So much talking, it's like making me out of breath. Yeah, now I have my little side table set up. I just have my stuff down there, and then I have electronics, like nail clippers, my fake AirPods, because, you know, I mean, I'm not going to buy real bad pads. My Shea Butter lip balm. This is a great lip mask. This is from Pink. It was like $6, so it's literally cheaper than Sephora or Ulta, but it's a super good lip mask for night. My Kleenex, like actual Kleenex. Wow. And here is my bed. As you can tell, I obviously like plaid. Anyways. So yeah, I have this. I think it's either mahogany or oak. It's a real bed wood frame. It's a queen size, which I absolutely love because I roll around my bed like all the time. So anyways, here is my 2 pillows. And I actually got this as a present for my grandma. This is the Crazy Cat Lady pillow, and it's so true. And there's cats on the back. Anyways, I thought it'd be cool for fall because it has the fall colors. Over there, I have my white fuzzy blanket and my burgundy blanket. And then this one is the softest thing. I felt you can like literally see it. It's softer than my cat's fur, and his fur is so soft. Anyways, this was from Sam's Club for 9. Wait. It was like $9.38, something like that. It wasn't over $10, and it wasn't under $9. It was right in the middle, and it's super nice. It is, I think it's 6 feet by 5 feet, 6 feet long, 5 feet wide. I mean, I'm like 5'11", so it's kind of short for me, but as a throw blanket, it's great. I just have my other bigger blanket over there. As you can see, I have my bed, and then that. Anyway, my wall decor, as you probably see in the back of my videos, this changes every few months or so. I had it up for summer, and I didn't do my spring one this year because I couldn't find my Easter eggs. But I'll have to get more during springtime. But anyways, I have my fall decor. I need to get more, or not get more, I make them. So these are all my own paintings, and those little plaques are mine too. I made those. Oh, that was a horrible Wisconsin. I made those. That was a horrible Wisconsin accent. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sunglasses because I couldn't find anything else to put up there because I lost some stuff from just not knowing where it was. Anyways, so we have my little pumpkin sign that I made. Super cute. I have my sparkly purse, which I absolutely love. And don't mind the dirtiness on my wall. I don't know. It's like white, so if you touch it or anything with makeup on your hand, it's like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I made a gradient fall color thing, and then this little blue and yellow. As you can tell, I love yellow, and then my little cat headband. So, yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later in my next video. I know I've been posting, I wanted to try posting just Fridays, but I think that's me not enough video to keep my channel going. So I think I'm going to be doing twice a week. Let's see. When do I not have stuff? I'll just put this here. Let me get back to you. Okay, so I think I'll post on Fridays and okay, I'm gonna post on Fridays and Tuesdays. So be prepared. There's going to be 2 videos a week, Fridays and Tuesdays. If you guys like the quality of my phone better, tell me, because I personally think it's better than my iMac, my MacBook Pro. Yes, not an iMac. It's a MacBook Pro. I love Mac. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, and goodbye. Bye.